Hi guys, welcome to ProPhotoTips. I'm Daniel and today I want to talk about the importance of shooting underexposed picture when it's daylight. To me that's the most important thing after choosing to shoot RAW. When I know I have a photo and I want to play with the photo in Lightroom or another editing software, I tend to underexpose my shot because I know that in my camera the details kept in the shadows, they are well kept. It's better to have them underexposed than to have them overexposed, because when the sky is blown up you can't get too much detail back. The most new digital cameras, they have the option to set your camera to manual and learn how to use the exposure, and sometimes you can get it right and perfect, and you don't have to do any work down into Lightroom. But for myself, just to be safe, because I can't tell if it's well exposed on this small monitor, but if I know it's underexposed and it's shot in RAW, I know then after that I can get some details back in Lightroom. When I was in the beginning and started photography, I tend to overexpose my shots, and most of the time I was losing quality and details in the sky. Sometimes I traveled somewhere like Sweden and see some really nice landscapes, and when I try to get a shot I would overexpose my picture, and then when I get back home I would see that it's not perfect and I can't get that detail back. So that's why for the new photographers out there, try to underexpose, and if you shoot RAW you'll be able to get most of the details back. Now if you just started photography, you probably don't know too much about what means overexposed and underexposed, but let me show you some pictures which the details in the sky, they are blown up, and let me show you some underexposed and what I could have recovered after that. I know that most of you guys are good photographers, and if you have some tips that you can share it with me and someone else who's watching this video, please leave it in the comment section down below and let us know. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and remember, if you want great photos, keep practice, it will get better, I promise. Until next time, all the best.